Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily change the image filter in your Logitech Brio camera. So actually it's a webcam, but don't worry, it's the same actually. Here we do have the image adjustments. We have to click that, and here we have the filters. We have to tap that, click that actually, and here we have Virgil, Bright, Blossom, Forest, Film, Glaze or Mono B. We can click to change each. As you can see, I don't have the preview, I don't know why, but you should have it here preview and see what's the difference. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.